Kinanglan kita ng mga anak samahan, labaw ta sa tanan. Mo nang hari ta sa kaayuhan. We are king of efficiency. We are the king of competence. We are the king of excellence. Mawita na tulong atong revolution sa kingdom, di ba? Spiritual revolution, financial revolution. What is the third? What is the key to the revolution of excellence? The fear of the Lord. Why is fear of the Lord? Because it's the beginning of wisdom. Wisdom teaches you, I am going to use this computer to back up the reports of the appointed son. And wisdom will tell you, there should be no hits, there should be no hang-ups. 3 hours pa, 4 hours na nakadiha. Nagtanaw ka na, imo na nang gi-inspeksyon. Wala ba na yung hitses? Ang kuryente ba tama? Ang connection ba tama? Testingan na daan mo, isa-isa, na kay copy. Una akong nagsulti diri, imo nang gi-isa-isa tanan. Way hang-up, gwapo kayo. Okay, go! Pag-anhan ako, pag-announce, di na ako magsigig panglingi. You are putting me on the spot because of your inefficiency and incompetence. Kaulaw mo. Shame on you. Very important and very critical na nga ministry. Dapat critical ug important po dahil yung ginahimo nga ahead of time you are already doing what you have to do. Ana ang mga nagsamahan. Para ang yawa di makasulod sa inyong incompetence and inefficiency. Maapsan mo kanunay ni Satanas. Maunhan mo kanunay ni Satanas. When you are working as soldiers in the army of goodness, you have to always be 2, 3, 4 step ahead of the enemy. Your enemy is incompetence. The devil can use that. Your enemy is inefficiency. The devil can use that. Your enemy is complacency. The devil can use that. Your enemy is laziness. The devil can use that. Kanamang kumpiyansa kayo? Dagang mga matay tungkol sa katangahan. Wala diri ba? Kung na po mo sundalos tagagawas, kung na mo maambos mga yawa.